So student, today we will discuss about the body fluids and blood plasma. Okay. So what is the body fluids? Body fluids are the medium of transport in the body. Whatever things are transported in our body, it is generally known as body fluids. Okay. It can be intracellular or extracellular. It means that intracellular, maybe it is present inside the cell, or it can be extracellular, means present outside the cell. Okay, intracellular, extracellular. Clear? So जो intracellular fluid, this fluid contains large amount of potassium ion and phosphate ion and proteins especially. And extracellular fluid contains, this extracellular fluid contains our blood first, okay, then lymph and cerebrospinal fluid, which is present in our cerebrum. Okay, cerebrospinal fluid, etc., they are the extracellular fluid. So now you understand that our blood is extracellular fluid. So what is blood? Blood is a special type of connective tissue, liquid connective tissue, okay, and consisting of blood, plasma, blood cells. This extracellular fluid means about blood, it is extracellular as I told you, and it's slightly alkaline, having pH 7.4. Okay, so what is the pH of our blood? It is slightly alkaline, that is of 7.4. So two things composed basically blood. These two things are, one is plasma and second is blood cell. Okay, blood, plasma and cell, they are the two components of blood. Firstly, we will discuss about blood plasma. Okay, blood plasma is a straw colored crystallocolloidal mixture. Please note down all the things which I am telling you. Crystallocolloidal mixture containing 50 to 60% of blood. It makes 50 to 60%. blood में बेटा 50 to 60% प्लाज्मा ही होता है. Okay, और 90 to 92% water is present in it. 90 to 92% water is present in plasma, and 0.9% salt is present there. Okay, and some amount of protein, 6 to 8% protein is present there. So you can understand that plasma is a mixture of these major components. Okay, so that's why plasma is very important, children. Now I'll tell you one simple structure related with plasma. Okay, suppose it's a blood plasma. Blood plasma is having one anticoagulant, and it is known as, children, heparin. Heparin is the anticoagulant which is present in blood plasma. Okay, several proteins, it's a plasma, several proteins are present in blood, and these proteins are, one is albumin, please note down it with me. Second is globulin, that's why hemoglobin, okay, because of this globulin. And third is prothrombin, and fourth is fibrinogens. Okay, are you getting my point? This fibrinogens are needed for clotting or coagulation of blood, and anticoagulation material is heparin is also present. That's why beta body के अंदर blood जमता नहीं है because of the heparin, but when it comes out from the body because of the fibrinogen, it gets to be clotted. Okay, so these are the proteins and anticoagulant thing present in our blood plasma. Next, for defense functioning, what is present in our body? Ig bodies, immunoglobulins, lysozymes, like in our tears, in our saliva, lysozymes are present, and properdin, it is also present for defense mechanism in our blood plasma. What are the digestive enzymes are present in our body? the digestive enzymes which are present in our, this is plasma, digestive enzyme which are present in our blood, like glucose, amino acids, lipids, creatinine, urea, ammonia, they are the substances. These are the some digested nutrient and excretory substances which are present in our blood plasma. Okay, I hope blood plasma is clear. So this is about the blood plasma. It is present in our blood, okay, and constitute at least 55 to 60% of our blood. Now the next thing is about blood cells. Blood cells, you know very well, they are of three types. First is of RBC, also known as erythrocytes. Second is of WBC, known as leukocytes. And third is of blood platelets, known as thrombocytes. Okay, so RBC means erythrocyte. Generally it is related with the hemoglobin containing cells that carry oxygen in the blood, and they are non-nucleated or enucleated in humans. About WBC, WBC are of two types, agranulocytes or granulocytes, means in which cytoplasm granules are present, they are known as granulocytes. और जिनमें granules नहीं होता है cytoplasm में, they are known as agranulocytes, and they are the part of WBC. And third is of known as thrombocytes. Okay, WBC is generally related with colorless motile nucleated cells, and basically they work as a defense mechanism, means they are the soldiers of our body. Because they do defense mechanism. Blood platelets are basically thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are non-nucleated, disc-shaped and fragments of bone marrow cells, and they are involved in blood clotting especially. Okay, thrombocytes, blood platelets. So they are the general idea about RBC, WBC and platelets. Later on we will discuss one by one all of them deeply. I hope the introductory part is clear, and if you have any question regarding this, please send me. Thank you, children.